Installing the Narva AeroTech multifunction light box is as simple as removing the warning light from the cradle, finding your mounting location, drilling your holes, mounting your cradle, installing the cradle using the supplied mounting hardware, plugging in the warning light connector, putting the warning light back on the cradle, installing and tightening the 4 screws with the supplied Allen key, and wiring in as required. The unit comes with over 2.5 metres of 8-core cable with clearly labelled wires. This ensures wiring can be completed without bringing the manual into it, but we do include one just in case. By integrating these functions into a single assembly, installers eliminate the need for multiple individual components, reducing fitment time and minimising wiring complexity. 4 functions, 1 unit, the Narva AeroTech multifunction light box.